Hi class, today we're going to be making our winter hats. This is a super easy art and math lesson that you can do with your student or your child. So we're going to need our template, some coloring utensils. It doesn't have to be markers. You need a scissor, some stickers, and maybe a little bit of a ribbon bow, or just yarns to make a big pom-pom is fine too. The first step we're going to do is we're going to use our coloring utensils, and I told my students that to make a pattern for each row, more specifically an AB pattern, and I told them they can use different shapes or different colors. It could be in any way or both even, and I told my students to be creative and do whichever way they want. We just quickly went over the concept of AB pattern, and for our high flyers I told them that they could even make it into an ABB pattern or an ABCD pattern, or make it into any sort of pattern and ask their friends to guess which pattern that they used. They loved when to make everything into a game, so try it with yours, see if it'll work. So I finished my first drafting or the drawing, and then I gave them some special stickers to decorate. I'm only gonna do a little. I just covered my star with this sticker. And then you're gonna cut it all out. Of course, if you're doing this with younger students, tell them to take time. And I used this bow usually for gift wrapping, and just stick it up there, and it fits perfectly, and it's so easy and so cute. But if you want, you can try and make a big pom-pom with yarns or strings too. Alright, and that's basically it for today. There is your cute winter patterned hat. I hope you had fun, and I will see you again. Bye!